Hello dear students, how are you? Yesterday we taking the questions which are based upon the BPT, its converse, angle bisector property and property three parallel lines. Today we will continue it because some questions of practice set 1.2 are remains. Today we are completing that questions and then in next lecture we are going toward the linear equation in two variables. Okay. मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए थे आपको होमवर्क के लिए, असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट करना था आपको, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन, होप सो कि आपने वो सॉल्व किए होंगे. सो स्टार्टिंग द नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन, राइट द ड्रॉ द फिगर फॉर द नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन. इट इज आल्सो बेस्ड अपॉन द एंगल बाइसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी. किस पे बेस है वो? एंगल बाइसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी पे बेस है. नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन, draw the figure for it. In triangle ABC, BD is the bisector of angle B. BD is the bisector of angle B. Ray BD is the bisector of angle B, in which AD is given x minus 2, BC is x plus 2, BC as a x plus 5 and AB as a x. From that we have to find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. So in triangle ABC, ray BD is bisector of angle ABC. It is given. Ray BD is bisector of angle ABC. And you know by angle bisector property, the angle bisector divide the opposite side, that is the AD upon DC, in the ratio of remaining two sides, that is the AB upon BC. So I get the AD upon DC is equals to AB upon BC. AB upon BC. Reason is property of angle bisector of a triangle. Property of angle bisector of a triangle. The angle bisector divide the opposite side in the ratio of remaining two sides. Who's the value? Which you know. What is the AD? AD is x minus 2 upon what is DC? X plus 2 is equals to AB is x upon BC is x plus 5. BC is x plus 5. So by cross multiplication, our target is to find the value of x. By cross multiplication, x minus 2 into x plus 5 is equals to x into x plus 2. So x into x is x square plus x into 5, 5x minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into 5 is minus 10, 2 5s are 10 is equals to x square plus 2x. Which term get cancelled? X square get cancelled. Okay, so you get the 5x minus 2x is 3x minus 10 is equals to 2x. If you transpose toward the left side, we get the 3x. Okay, 2x convert into minus 2x. Have you got it? So is equals to minus 10 convert into plus 10. X is equals to 10. This is the value of x. Write it. Then take the next question. Question number 10. It is based upon activity, but मैं यहाँ पे सॉल्व करके लूँगा. We have to fill up the activity. आप fill up करेंगे activity. Okay. We will taking the total answer और आप fill up करेंगे activity उसका. figure for 10th question. It is based upon activity, but here we taking the complete question. आपको activity fill up करना है. Okay. For the 10th. In the given figure, X is interior of triangle ABC. It is joined to the vertices of triangle DEF such that PQ is parallel to DE, QR is parallel to EF. From that we have to prove PR is parallel to DF. So for that we drawing the figure. X is interior of triangle DEF. It is joined to the vertices of triangle DF. So this is the D vertex, this one is E, and this is F. X is here, okay, joined to the. Then PQ is parallel to, किसको parallel है? DE को. PQ is parallel to DE. QR is parallel to EF. Then we have to prove PR is parallel to DF. Okay, so I am taking here to prove segment PR is parallel to side DF, and this is our target. Okay, so we are taking the proof. It's very important. Listen carefully. We are taking the proof. I am making the 2 star. Are you know this 2 star? What is the meaning of this 2 star? It is not related to hotel. 2 star means we have to practice it at least how many times? 2 times. Okay? So we're taking care. Okay. In triangle DF, X is interior triangle DF. So this is PQ is parallel to DE. For that I am taking the triangle DXE. Yeah, DEX. In triangle DEX. Have you got? PQ is parallel to segment PQ is parallel to side DE. Side DE, it is given. क्या reason है? Given. Are you know, if a line is parallel to a side of a triangle, then it divides the remaining 2 sides in equal ratios. By BPT, we get the XP upon PD. XP upon PD is equals to XQ upon QE. XQ upon QE. The line is parallel to one side of triangle. Therefore, by BPT, it divides the remaining 2 sides in equal ratios. That ratios are XP upon PD is equals to XQ upon QE. This is the first, and reason is basic proportionality theorem. Both para theorem है, okay? BPT. Similarly, this is QR is parallel to EF. For that, we are taking the triangle EFX. Which triangle? EFX. So in triangle EFX, segment QR is parallel to side EF. Is parallel to side EF. Reason again same. क्या reason है? Given. It is given that QR is parallel to EF. If a line is parallel to one side of triangle, then by BPT, it divides the remaining 2 sides in equal ratios. So you get the XR upon RF. XR upon RF. XR upon RF is equals to XQ upon QE. XQ upon QE, second, and has the same reason, basic proportionality theorem. Okay, what you prove in the first statement? Listen carefully, it is very interesting. XP upon PD is equals to, क्या prove किया हमने? XQ upon QE. And again we prove that XR upon RF is equals to XQ upon QE. If we observe the first and second statement clearly, we get the XQ upon QE, XQ upon QE. It means that their right sides are same. If right sides are same, left sides are equal. So we get the xp upon pd is equals to xr upon rf, and these are the this happen in triangle DFX. So you're taking in triangle DFX, what you get from 1 and 2, xp upon pd is equals to xr upon rf from first and second, from 1 and 2. What we prove? xp upon pd is equals to xr upon rf. It means that line PR divide the two sides of triangle in equal ratios, then by converse of BPT it is parallel to the third side. Therefore you can say the segment PR is parallel to side DF region converse of BPT. What the converse of BPT says? It divides the two sides of triangle in equal ratios. Therefore, by converse of BPT, it is parallel to the third side of triangle. Have you got it? Write it carefully, and we have to fill up the boxes it is given. First of all, we have to write the complete proof, and then we have to go toward the activity. Have you got it? Write it, please. Then we're taking the next one, the last question. The last question of practice set 1.2. 11th question. It is star. What that indicates? Star indicates that it is the HOTS, means higher order thinking development skill quotient. So taking the 11th question. But I think it is also easy. We have to practice it again. I'm making the star. Again, the stars are not related to hotels. अगर स्टार थ्योरम सॉल्व करेंगे तो स्टार होटल में जाएंगे आप. ओके. So ray BD is the bisector of angle ABC. In triangle ABC, it means that what we need, in very first lecture I told you, we have to develop the skill from the given statement how to draw the correct figure, and this is the right question. Okay. In triangle ABC, ray BD is bisector of angle ABC, ray CE is bisector of angle ACB, and AB is congruent to AC. Okay. AB is congruent to AC. It means that we have to draw the triangle ABC. So I am drawing here triangle ABC, in which AB is equals to क्या है? AC. Ray BD is bisector of angle ABC. Ray CE is bisector of angle ACB. We have to prove that ED is parallel to BC. हमको प्रूव करना है ED is parallel to. We have to prove ED is parallel to BC. So I am taking here to prove segment ED is parallel to side BC. This is our target. Segment ED is parallel to side BC. So we take it the proof. Okay. In triangle ABC, they say segment BD, yeah, you may say the ray BD, कोई problem नहीं. Ray BD is bisector of angle ABC. Ray BD is bisector of which angle? ABC. It is given. Then by property of angle bisector, it divides the opposite side in the ratio of remaining two sides. That what we get AD upon DC is equals to, yes, AD upon DC is equals to AB upon BC. So you get the AD upon DC is equals to AB upon AC. First statement, reason, property of angle bisector of a triangle. You can write it. what I am written here. Read it carefully. Read it. Property of angle bisector of a triangle. दिख रहा है ना? If you see the invisible, you can do the impossible. So property of angle bisector of a triangle. क्या लिखा है मैंने? Loudly. Read it loudly. क्या है? Property of angle bisector of a triangle. Okay. Similarly, we take in the second triangle. In same triangle. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. उन्होंने और एक एंगल बाइसेक्टर दिया है. Which one? C. Segment C is bisector of angle ACB. Bisector of angle ACB. It is again given. Then property of angle bisector C divide the opposite side AB in the ratio of remaining two sides, which two? AC and CB. So you get the AE upon EB. क्या मिलता है? AE upon EB. AE upon EB is equals to AC upon BC. AC upon BC. This is the second statement. Result same है. Property of angle bisector of a triangle. क्या लिखेंगे आप? क्या लिखेंगे? Property of angle bisector of a triangle. Got it? But I think it is given that AB is equals to AC. ऐसा दिया है. AB is equals to AC. This is our third statement. But this says segment AB is equals to segment AC. So instead of AB, can you write the AC? Yeah, instead of AC, can you write the AB? Because their lengths are same. So in place of AC, I am taking the AB. AC को निकाल रहे, किसको डाल रहे हम? AB को डाल रहे. So taking AE upon EB is equals to, in place of AC, I am taking AB because their lengths are same. So AC के जगह हम AB ले रहे, upon BC as it is. This is the fourth statement, and reason is from second and third. Have you got it? From second and third. So what is the first statement? AD upon DC is equals to, concentrate it. AD upon DC is equals to AB upon BC. AE upon EB is equals to AB upon BC. दोनों के राइट साइड्स क्या मिल गए? सेम. दोनों के राइट साइड्स सेम है, तो इसका मतलब लेफ्ट साइड्स आर इक्वल and we get the AE upon EB. AE upon EB is equals to AD upon DC. So in triangle ABC, क्या मिल गया हमको? AE upon EB is equals to AD upon DC from first and fourth. It means that line ED divide the side AB and AC in equal ratios. Then by converse of BPT, it is parallel to the third side. Therefore, hence we can say the segment ED is parallel to the side BC. Reason है converse of BPT. क्या reason है? Converse of BPT. Converse of BPT. Here we completed the 11th question. Are you got it? Okay. Please practice it at least 2 times. Okay. This is the very interesting and simple question. They make the tricky, but I think we enjoy it a lot. Okay. So in next lecture we will discuss about the linear equation in 2 variables, because एक क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा गड़बड़ हुई थी, वो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 नहीं प्रॉपरली हुआ, वो क्वेश्चन हम रिपीट करेंगे, एंड देन वी कंटिन्यूइंग द विल टेकिंग द रेस्ट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ Cramer's rules and the next practice set that is based upon the words problem. Okay, hope so कि आपने ये lectures enjoy किया है. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.